I'm going to show you another method of loading. So I'm going to start with my roll of laminate. I'm going to bring this around to the rear. I'm going to remove the spindle. I'm going to place the spindle through the core of my roll of laminate. I'm going to use the rulers on my spindle to make my material centered. With this method, I'm going to go ahead and put my laminate through my rollers with the backing paper still attached to it. So the laminate with the backing paper is now through both of my rollers. From here, I'm going to go ahead and lower my rollers down. Now that my laminate with the liner is through my rollers and my roller is down, I'm going to put my take-up core on. I'm going to position my core to the same ruler value as my roll of laminate to keep everything nice and square. I'm going to apply my tape to my core. Now I'm going to use my safety knife and I'm going to cut just the backing liner away from the laminate so I can apply the liner to my take-up core. I'm going to go ahead and just pick the edge so that the laminate and backing paper are separated just a little bit. And I'm just going to cut my backing paper. Once my backing paper is cut, I'm going to roll back my roll of laminate and I'm going to separate my backing paper and I'm going to attach it to my collection core. I'm going to use the foot pedal to advance my material. And I want to stop before the edge of my material gets to the middle of the roller. Now we are ready to put on our printed graphic. I'm going to line up the core to the same ruler mark as my laminate. Going to make sure my edges are nice and even and not telescoped. We're going to come up onto our loading tray. I'm going to push my material all the way up. I'm going to go ahead and lower down my hold down roller. And with this method, we're going to have to make sure that we start it with a little bit of force. And I'm going to use the foot pedal to make sure we go underneath our roller. Now we're all set to ready to laminate this material.